Howdy soldiers, Pain Gamers here, shoo! And today, we have a new tier list here for Mewtwo. Yeah, actually, it's the same same, it's Mewtwo for the original form, but the Mega Evolution is different type. So the new is Mega Evolution Yi, Yi type. So, uh, I added a new tier here. We have S plus, or I can say this is OP for this Pokemon in lane maybe, or maybe in jungler, but like not really like really OP like in broken tier. So yep, let's get started. We have broken tier here. Yep, Mewtwo X, even though got a nerf yesterday, but still dominate the game if you can use it. Mewtwo X. Ya, it's just kayak Mewtwo X tuh gimana ya guys? Dia itu increase attack udah, habis itu tingkati pertahanan lagi, defend dan special defense ya kan. Di rasa tebel aja karena emang dia all rounder udah. Tambah sama pas stat-stat yang udah tinggi ya kan, ditambah lagi penambahan stat sama pasifnya kan gede tuh. Kalau kalian nggak tahu yang pasif tuh maksudnya di mana, yang yaitu yang ada di Bard God Shade loh guys. Sama kayak Y sebenarnya tuh. Cuman kalau Y itu kan cuma hanya ningkatin special attack dan attack speed. Makanya kan kalau pas udah apa sih level 5 kan attack speednya kan udah mulai kenceng-kenceng tuh. Karena attack speednya tuh kalau ketika udah Mega Evolution itu ningkatin secara 40% guys. So yeah, these two, or I can say this Mewtwo from the X and Y, both of them are broken. If you know how to like playstyle for the Mewtwo X or Y. And we have new tier, S plus tier, or I can say is OP tier. We have Zacian, Urshifu, yeah, these two are under Pokemon, still pretty good. And it still be using. And yesterday we have tournament, Pokemon Unite World Championships series. We have Zacian, really like a lot of use Zacian as hyper, right? And then Urshifu, right? Urshifu, and then Leafeon actually. This is just on the only one speedster in S plus tier. Why? Because like the Razor Leaf actually is still pretty broken. Like the Razor Leaf hasn't been got a nerf yet actually. So like yeah, just use it. They not nerf the Razor Leaf. Like a lot of people like is misunderstanding the Leaf Blade. They means like Razor Leaf if have been gotten nerfed too. Actually, it's not. Actually, the damage is still pretty good. So like yeah, I mean the skill one guys. Other skill one than Solar Blade. For the Solar Blade, I think like really good at lane, right? But you can maybe use it at Hyper too. But my recommend just using a Razor Leaf guys if you use Hyper Leafeon. Okay. And then we have Inteleon, Chandler, Glaceon. Wait, this is the interior list, right? Oh, I forgot. I mean, like, the Leafeon is actually pretty good at become lane 2. Not just for jungle because of the Solar Blade got buff. Solar Blade got buff. And then we have Inteleon, Chandler, Glaceon, Ninetale, and the Apox. Yeah, these attackers are pretty good at laning guys. So like yeah, it's pretty good. And then we have Lapras here, still pretty good, Slowbro, and Umbreon. These three defender Pokemon still pretty good. Even though like Umbreon got a nerf, right? A lot of nerf actually. But still Umbreon is still really pretty OP as defender Pokemon. And then we have supporter here as plus tier. We have Eldugod actually, or I can say is Eldugos, Clefable, Hoopa, and Comfey. Yeah, these four supporters just standing there because they both of them are broken, really broken at become laning. And we have S tier. Yep, we have Trevenant, still OP, right? If you can use it. And then we have Zoroark. You can use it as lane. And then we have Wigglytuff actually. Yeah, Wigglytuff got a buff, right? For the Sing. So right now it's pretty good. And then we have Blissey. Yeah, I'm like really shocked. Because Blissey, right now you can combo with Mewtwo, yeah, this broken attacker Pokemon right now. So like the skill 1 of your Blissey, if you know it, the helping hand, it it's AoE, right? But like buff AoE, so like it can like buff for the ally Pokemon that are in the area of helping hand, right? It can increase attack, special attack, both from the Pokemon and attack speed. So like yeah, if the Mewtwo Y already Mega Evolve, right, and then plus again with the helping hand, and then with the unstoppable shield from the Clefable 2 using uh shield. What's the shield? I forgot. The skill 1 is helping hand, right? Skill 1 is helping hand. I forgot. But the thing is, the skill 2 that can give a shield, that can give a unstoppable for your ally, right? But it's just like lock target 2, so like it's just like another skill 2 heal, but it's lock target 2. So yeah, that's for the S tier and lane tier list. Then we have A tier. We have Gudra, Crossel. Yeah, Crossel got a buff yesterday, so yeah, he's just go up into the A. Yeah, Crossel like it's pretty good right now. The Magic Crossel is good right now, and then we have Snorlax, still pretty annoying for the body slam and the block, right? Then we have Mamo. Yep, Mamo is pretty good because of the buff too yesterday, so like yeah, it's pretty good. Then we have Gardevoir, Venusaur, Cramorant, Cinder, Mew. It's pretty good at lane if you can use it in lane. And then we have Groudon, Sylveon, Espeon. Yep, these attacker Pokemon are pretty good. And Decidueye, Greninja, and Ragapult. Yep, maybe yeah, they're pretty good at in lane maybe. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Yeah, if you can like really can use it, right? Maybe this three attacker Pokemon, maybe you can carry it, right? And then we have B tier, we have Sableye, Mr. Mime, Greedon, Blastoise, Aegislash, Pikachu, Garchomp, and Charizard. Yeah, this I think in the B tier, all of these Pokemon maybe can still viable right now, but I think I don't recommend to use it, guys. I don't think it shall. Okay, we have C tier, just Tyranitar. Yeah, even though like Tyranitar, yesterday got a buff actually. Maybe yeah, a little good, but like I'm worried about the leveling. Still, the leveling it's just like not pretty good. Like you need to like really fast leveling, right? For getting a skill 2 and your unite move in the time when you already level 9. So like yeah, I don't know why. D tier still Sarina. I don't know why. Then we have moved to the jungler tier list. Broken still Mewtwo X and Y. Yeah. Y actually like pretty decent broken, but not like really still broken like Exito. It's not. Why? Because it still can be countered by speed sister Pokemon like in the S plus tier like Leafeon maybe, or Zeraora, or maybe Zoroark, right? You can one-shot combo to the Mewtwo year attacker as long you maybe want a full heal. Just like you can focus target on the Mewtwo year, right? If the Mewtwo Y is using a feature site that can push away the opponent and it's low target too actually. And then move to the S plus tier. We have Zacian, Urshifu, Leafeon, Zora, Inteleon, Glaceon, and Venusaur. Yeah, Venusaur like is pretty good at become hyper carry. Even though like you using a build Solar Beam hyper carry or maybe better than hyper carry, all of them are pretty good. Pretty good guys. And then we have S tier still, Zoroark is there, Delpox, Chandler, Gardevoir, and Cinderace. Yeah, I think these all five Pokemon in S tier can be hyper carried as well. OP, but not like really OP as S plus tier. Then we have A tier, Gudra still there, Duraludon, if you can use it, then maybe it's A tier. And then Garchomp, yeah, Garchomp got a buff too yesterday. Talonflame got buff too, so like they're pretty good. And then we have Dodrio, Absol, and Gengar. Yeah, all of these Speedster Pokemon in nature, if you can use it right, like it's pretty good. Still pretty good if you can use it. Sometimes we can hyper carry too. And then B tier, or I can say still be viable maybe if you wanna become jungler. We have Greedon, Umbreon, and Lapras is 3 defender, maybe still viable. And then we have Cramorant, Decidueye, Dragapult, A9, Greninja, Sylveon. And then we have Buzzwole, Dragonite, Machamp, Azumarill, Tyranitar, Titar, and Scissor. Yeah, all of these B tier in Pokemon maybe still viable as jungler maybe, but not like I'm not really recommend for using in the B tier Pokemon. Just using the above the B, maybe S, maybe or the S, or maybe broken tier. You can use it. And then we have C tier. That's like really underrated, but not like really underrated much as D tier. Maybe you can still use it, but it's not like really valuable right now in the meta right now because the meta is always changed. We have Aegislash, Charizard, Blastoise, and then we have Espeon, Mew, and Pikachu. Yeah, Pikachu is really like I'm not really recommend guys if you go into jungle Pikachu, but if you wanna have fun in standard, maybe you can. Okay, and last D tier, yep, same always, Sarina. Yeah, I think that's it for the tier list, guys. So, yep. The change is right. Zacian, the before in the lane tier list, I put in A tier, right? But now I put it in S plus tier. Not just S in the jungle tier list or lane tier list, but both for the Zacian is S plus. I don't know why, but in the Pokemon Unite World Championship Series tournament, right? A lot of people of pro player using a Zacian and they made a new combo for the Zacian, just only Zacian self actually. So like there is a really step doing a become a broken Zacian, right? Atau mungkin bisa jadi Zacian pro player. Ada trik rahasia sebenarnya, trik rahasia. Jadi bakal ku spill di sini, ya. Jadi kan kalian kan jalan-jalan dulu nih. Kalian mungkin sembunyi-sembunyi di push dulu ya kan. Kalian itu harus melakukan 3 basic attack. Jadi kan sebenarnya kan itu kan ada stage-nya tuh. Sekali basic attack itu biasa, terus dua kali basic attack itu bisa nge-slow musuh. 3 kali basic attack itu bisa nge-heal sendiri kalau kamu basic attack musuh 3 kali ya kan. Lalu 4 kalinya tuh reduce cooldown guys. Itu boost attack-nya. Jadi kalian ngincar boost attack-nya ya kan. Tapi kan anoin 3 basic attack dulu. Basic attack 3 kali. Terus kalian kalau mau tahanin itu bisa dilakuin. Kalau nggak nge-charge langsung di press aja udah. Atau enggak kalian bisa sambil skill blink guys. Jadi kayak blink dulu musuh lah bisa. Kalau ada loh ya musuhnya. Kalau enggak ya kamu press lagi di yang pasifnya Zacian tuh, tapi pakai score gitu loh, pakai poin soalnya. Zacian tuh bener-bener ngandelin poin guys. Jadi kayak kalian tuh bener-bener jarang nge-score ntar. Cuma ya gara-gara butuh poin doang Zacian ini. Butuh kabur, ya butuh poin biar movement speed yang di HIT tambah cepat bisa 2 kali ya kan. Tapi kalau mau nge-damage itu pun juga butuh poin pastinya. Poin yang mungkin gede buat cadangan lain buat agility plus ntar ya enhance agility pakai secret sword 2 kali guys. Yap. Jadi kalian kayak gini. Jadi stage pertama kan kalian kan basic selama 3 kali ya kan. Tapi di boost aja, jangan buat sambil serang ini ya kan. Terus kamu kan bisa pakai skill 2 dulu, yang skill 2 blink pastinya dash. Terus kalau musuhnya masih jauh, kamu pakai pasirnya dulu, jadi kayak poinnya tuh mau korbanin dulu, terus mau blink lagi bisa blink ke musuh bisa stun musuh, terus kamu tinggal cycle sword aja udah. Cycle sword sekali juga gak apa-apa kok kan, boost attack dari enhance kan masih ada itu guys. Itulah yang membuat Zacian tuh menjadi S plus tier lagi. Ya jadi I think that's it for today guys. For the tier list Mewtwo Y. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. See you next time in the next video. Sure.